Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our guide on changing the control panel of your Thermomix TM31. This process requires attention to detail and the right tools. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, a small bowl for screws. Now, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Place your device on a stable surface, ideally a table or countertop. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew the 5 screws located at the bottom of the unit. As you remove each screw, place them in your small bowl to avoid losing them. Make sure to keep track of the order in which you remove them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry off the back panel using your flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or the panel itself. With the back panel off, you'll have access to the internal components of your Thermomix. Next, locate the control panel. It should be mounted securely to the main unit. You may need to disconnect a few wires. Remember to take a picture of the connections for reference. Disconnect these wires carefully, as they can be delicate. Now, remove the control panel by unscrewing any screws that hold it in place. This might require some patience, as screws can sometimes be tight. Once you've removed all screws, gently pull the control panel away from the unit. Before installing the new control panel, take a moment to clean the internal area. Use your soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. Keeping your Thermomix clean will ensure it functions optimally. Now, take your new control panel and align it properly with the mounting points. Reconnect the wires as per the picture you took earlier. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best service possible. After reconnecting the wires, secure the new control panel by tightening the screws. Make sure not to over-tighten, as this can damage the panel. Once the panel is secured, reposition the back panel onto the unit. Align it carefully and press it into place. Replace the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test the new control panel. If everything works as expected, congratulations on completing the replacement. If at any step you felt uncertain or lacked the necessary tools, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free. Plus, there are no calls or travel involved in our service, and you'll receive a quote before any repair takes place. This way, you can make informed decisions without any pressure. Thank you for following our guide. Enjoy using your updated Thermomix TM31. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.